welcome to East Indian channel. Today my mom showed me how to make coconut chai tea latte. Now I'm going to show you guys. You're going to take 3/4 cup and pour it in a saucepan.
So 3/4 cup of water in a saucepan. I got that, Ria.
You're going to put a teaspoon of sugar.
Or more. You like sugar a lot.
Yes, I put a little more. And then a teaspoon of fennel. Half a cinnamon stick. 2 to 4 cloves.
No, these are not garlic cloves. These are just cloves.
Yeah.
They have a really nice smell.
And then some cardamom. I just put 2 in.
I love cardamom. You too, right?
Yeah, I like the smell of it. And I'm gonna put the tea bag in. That's just a black tea bag. And then
Once it comes to the boil,
I'm just gonna add this rooster coconut milk. This is which one we're using. I'm just gonna use that. And you can see it's slowly coming a different color. You're just gonna mix it.
that's gonna be so delicious. Are you ready?
Yeah.
There we go. Beautiful color. Couple more minutes.
I like the smell of it.
There you go, guys. Your chai tea latte is ready.
Yeah, so instead of milk, you're just adding coconut milk. And then I'm gonna take it and carefully pour it into my cup. Oh no.
That's all right.
Yeah.
That's why what mom has told you, we take this, you use that to pour the tea in. All right, we're gonna clean up that mess, guys.
And now let's try it. Let's try it.
It's too hot.
It's hot, but it's good.
It smells good.
Yeah, it smells like berries. I like the smell.
All right, guys, that's our tea. We are going to enjoy. Give it a try in your own kitchen and keep watching Eat East Indian channel.